Well, now have a look at this. What you are watching is me being transformed here in our Weather Network newsroom into one of the most famous weather witches of the world, Maleficent, by beauty expert and makeup artist Mini Sihra, who joins us for the third time here in our newsroom. This is not the first time that you have transformed me into a weather character for our TV audiences. Thank you so much. Second year in a row that we've done a spooky weather witch for Halloween with an important message. If you've got somebody like Mini who's gone through the great lengths to do something amazing like this for your Halloween costume, you have to make sure you weatherproof it for the spooky and scary weather elements. We have 3 must-have tips for you to weatherproof your Halloween makeup. What are they, Mini?
Well, first things first is going with the moisturizer. We went in heavy today because we wanted to perfect her base to hold the makeup. So that's tip number 1.
Canvas, okay.
And number 2, to set that makeup so it doesn't move, we went in with one of our favorite setting powders. Great. And then the last thing is the setting spray, and it's always important to make sure you shake the bottle before using it. And again, it's going to lock it in to make sure the makeup does not move, and it protects it against all kinds of weather.
Fantastic. All the scary, spooky snow and rain that could be in the forecast. Setting spray goes on at the very end, but let's talk a little bit about that moisturizer.
For sure.
Also really important, not just to perfect the canvas, but for the cold winter months that we're going into. Why do we need more this time of year?
First things first is the weather changing, the drop in temperature, not so much humidity, but then when you're going indoors with the heat, it's really affecting your skin, and it becomes dry, flaky, sometimes, red skin problems. So going in with the moisturizer will protect your skin.
Okay, fantastic. This was so much fun. You did an amazing job. And folks, all of this, what you're looking at, 50 seconds worth, only really took Mini
less
about
than
an hour. Less
yes.
than an hour. It's all sped up here into less than a minute. And you know what else? Talking about makeup and spooky witches. Do you know what a witch's favorite makeup product is? This is a trick question. It is mascara.
That one's good.
Yes,
That's
sharp
really good.
joke, sharper than the spindle of a spinning wheel. Folks, how are we going to top this next year, Mini?
We got to think right now.
Stay tuned for lots more spooky forecasts, more spooky makeup information, and we hope that you are safe, dry, and have weatherproofed makeup this Halloween. From here, Maleficent and beauty expert and makeup artist Mini Sihra. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!